Okay. So a while back I was discussing about primary amino groups, secondary amino groups and so on. Let us see what they are. We will cover it under the topic classification of amines, right? How are amines classified? First and foremost, depending on number of substituents. Primary amines are ammonia derivative in which only one hydrogen atom has been replaced. For example, NH3 was ammonia. Only one hydrogen atom has been replaced by butane and we get butylamine. When similarly, aniline is an example of an arylamine, right? So very obvious, secondary amines are ammonia derivative in which two hydrogen atoms get replaced. So NH3 was original, 2 knocked down. So we get NH over here and 2 ethyl groups replaced, one hydrogen atom each, and we get dimethylamine. Here we get diethylamine and diphenylamine. This is tertiary. Tertiary amines would be where all 3 hydrogen atoms have been replaced. Trimethylamine, no hydrogen with nitrogen over here. Triethylamine and triphenylamine. So you see all 3 hydrogen atoms have been replaced by alkyl or aryl groups. So these are tertiary amines. Remember, now there is no hydrogen bonding between nitrogen. There is no nitrogen hydrogen bonding, and hence tertiary amines have very low boiling points. Okay, so this was a way to classify depending on number of alkyl or aryl groups that have replaced the hydrogen atoms. There is one more way to classify amines, that is depending on type of the alkyl group. Now what are those ways? First one is simple amines. When all alkyl or aryl groups are the same, the amine is said to be a simple amine. For example, let us say in case of secondary amine, both hydrogen atoms got replaced by a methyl group. So we get dimethylamine. That is an example of a simple amine. And another class is mixed amine. Very obvious, when different alkyl groups or aryl groups are attached, it is said to be a mixed amine. Okay. Classify the following amines as primary, secondary or tertiary. C2H5NH, CH3NH2 and CH33N. Very obvious. Here two hydrogen atoms seem to be replaced. So this one would be a secondary amine. One hydrogen atom is replaced. Ammonia has 3 hydrogen atoms, right? So only 2 are seen over here. That means it's a primary amine, and no hydrogen atom means it's a tertiary amine, right?